I'm Wonderbeard the Pirate, here to guide you from a vlog by vlog basis how to turn junk into joy, trash into cash, and many other items to be loved and appreciated. I'm Wonderbeard the Pirate, rate. Boom. Chuk, 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 chuk. Come on, fill the void. Chuk, 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 chuk. Girls, rock your boys. I said, chuk, 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 chuk. Chuk, 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 chuk. Come on, fill the void. Chuk, 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 chuk. Girls, rock your boys. I said, Hi, folks. It's me again, vlogging you from beautiful Quezon City, Philippines, right? It's only 5:31 in the AM, right? At least it ain't raining, okay? That was a song, really hard rock metal from a group whose name escapes my memory. Anyway, it's me again, Wonderbeard the Pirate, teaching you, vlogging you each time. Lots of junk, lots of trash that can be turned into joy or cash. Oh, it rhymes, na? Okay? So as usual, we start from the beginning because we can't start from the end. Okay? How do you do? I do it well. Right. So before anything else, we have, of course, our very important English lesson. Boom. Right. Okay? So as usual, it's my style again. We have this mortar board and some glasses, plastic glasses, to help you in English lesson. Okay, so one of the most confusing and misunderstood expressions is this one. Diba? Yung, do you mind? Ha? Do you mind? Ano ba yung sabihin nun? May utak ka ba? May mind ka? No. When you say do you mind, it's something, okay? Now, I will use this in a sentence, mas complete, okay? Here we go. Nagpunta ka sa party, and then you ask a person, do you mind if I sit down? Do you mind if I sit down? Tapos, based on what I saw, this really happened. Nagtanong isang Amerikano sa isang Pilipina, sa isang party. Sabi ng Amerikano, excuse me, do you mind if I sit down? Alam mo, sinagot ng Pilipina, sabi niya, yes, go ahead, yes, please sit down, yes. That's wrong, mali. Ano ba ibig sabihin ng, do you mind if I sit down? Ang ibig sabihin nun is that, magagalit ka ba o nakikialam ka pag uupo ako? Sinagot ng Pilipina, sige. Ibig sabihin, ayaw. Kaya yung Amerikano was confused. He didn't know if he will sit down or just stand up. Ito dapat ang sagot, no? So, pag tinanong ka ng Amerikano or anybody else, do you mind if I sit down? Ang sagot niya dapat no, I don't mind. You see? You got that? No, I don't mind. Yan ang tamang sagot. So, if ever kayo mga wondermates, male or female, nasa abroad na, nasa States, or basta nasa ibang foreign place, at tinanong ka ng foreigner, hey, Charlie, do you mind if I take some food from your table? You say, no, I don't mind. Ayun, kukuha ng mga souvenir na pagkain. Okay? So, don't forget that. You share it with your other friends so they will know. And like I said, the more English you know, the better person you can become and be more successful. Okay? Very good. Boom. So now we come to our supporting vlog features before we end up with fantastic camera equipment. Whoa, camera. Yung mga mahilig sa mga pictures, yung mga photography. Okay? Alright, look at this now. Got this from the Magbobote a long time ago. Okay? You see? It's a mirror. Is it? Yes. This is an antique mirror where you hold it and then you fix your beard, you fix your face, you fix your hair. Kaya lang, masyado ng corroded. You see? This is made of aluminum. Printed aluminum. Maganda pagkagawa. It's beautiful nung bago. Saka yung mirror has since faded away. Wala na. You see? But the handle is still good. The rims can be repaired. So I have plans of selling this. Kasi nga, this is part of my business negotiations, no? Okay? Very good. Hand mirror. 1950s pa to. Okay? Then, my sister was very, very happy. Bakit? Kasi, magbobote sold me something. Kapag type niya, kinukuha niya or binibili sa akin. Okay? Sabi niya, oh, this makes my day, sabi niya. So, what is it? My sister, meron siyang aso. Yung mahaba na parang hotdog. It's called the Dachshund or the Dachshund. Okay? Mahaba. Nakita ko sa magpupunta, binili ko siya. Okay, do you see it? You see it? This is a Dachshund. Magandang pagkagawa. It's a gimmick. You see this button over here? When you press it, look what happens, no? Yeah, it spins. The Dachshund spins. Nakita, tuwan-tuwa siya. And she bought it from me. Yun. Sabi niya, it makes my day. You see? Ganun talaga. Right. Well, it's kind of cute, no? Is it from McDonald's? It's from... no. Not McDonald's, but independent Chinese toy maker. Okay? And finally, oh, by the way, konting trivia. Di ba sinabi ko sa inyo, I'll say again, no? Yung Dachshund, mahaba, para siyang hotdog. I think dyan galing sa asong yan, yung term hotdog yung kinakain. Okay? Kasi mahaba siya. So, you say, hotdog, this refers to the Dachshund dog kasi mahaba. Long, very long, pero short ang kanyang mga feet. Did you know na yung ganyang klaseng mga aso, pag tuta, puppy, they cost about 12,000 pesos. Mahal naman. Di ba? Right. Now we come to our main support, last supporting feature. Okay? Look at this, no? We have here a pair of bird baskets. You see? Bird baskets. Ang cute. One is shaped like a duck, quack, quack, quack. And one is shaped like a rooster. Rooster Cogburn. You see that? That's right. Yeah, right. You see this, this is a rooster. What do you call this red part ng rooster? Do you know, Wondermates? Ang tawag dyan, comb. As in suklay. Yung comb ng rooster. Okay? And this is a duck. As in Donald Duck. Diba? So, maraming ducks, or goose, geese. Yun. So, magandang pagkagawa yung basket na ito. Varnish, binarnish pa yung kanyang appearance. You see? So, I think I'll sell this as a set. Okay? One set of this. Okay? Very good. Alright? So, now we come to our main vlog item. Okay? Mga last week, magbobote came to my place and sold me this camera equipment. Okay? Di ba, when you take pictures, kailangan malakas yung ilaw, yung light. Kasi pagka malakas yung light, very clear yung mga photos. Understood na yun, especially sa mga phones ninyo, mga iPhone, mga Vivo, mga Oppo, and all kinds of Oppo, right? Oppo, fine. Okay, so we have here the equipment that I'm talking about. So this is, ayun, do you see it? These are attachable flashlights na nilalagay sa camera. Kasi may mga camera walang flash eh. Especially yung mga dating manual cameras. Example like this, no? I'll show it to you. Okay. This is a manual camera made in Russia. Kasi nakalagay sa likod ay sa harap. Saan ba? I saw it before eh. Nakalagay CCCP, which refers to Russian language na it means to Russian, CCCP, okay? Now, 35mm camera to. So, pwede ka mag-take ng picture, click. Kaya lang, pag walang flash, wala, bali wala. Kung yan night time pa, o kaya sunset na, paano yun? Okay? So, this is the solution. You get this flash, and then you place it here on top. Okay, ayun. Nakabit na. You see? So, this thing will flash. Every time you take a picture, mag-flash siya. Okay? Ba't ganun? Kasi meron siyang meron pa siyang attachment over here sa bottom part, which will guarantee it na pagka naramdaman niya na nakakapit na, and you can take picture, mag-flash, you can take pictures with flash na yan. So you can detach it pag tapos ka na. Ayan. Detach it. Anong power source? Well, if you open this side part, no, you can put here, apat na pen light batteries. Yung AA. Maglagay ka ng apat na very powerful na energizer. Kasi kapag naglagay ka ng hindi masyadong magandang quality, baka after only 10 flashes or less, wala na yung power. Sayang, okay? So, hindi siya rechargeable. You have to put batteries. Okay, I place batteries here, apat. And then, pinipress ko yung button dito, yung kulay red na yan, para i-testing kung nagwo-work. And then, what happened? Did it work? No, ayaw mag-flash. Ay, kaya pala, binenta na magbobote. Kasi hindi na pala nagwo-work mga to. You see that? Fine. Yung isa naman, it's the same, no? You can place it on the top of your camera like this. Saan ba yan? Okay? And then, pagka nakalagay na sa taas, you can continue to click, flash, okay? The flash, right? This is Minolta, a very good brand. Meron siyang red, infrared siguro. Okay? Now, I open the side. Teka, paano ba to? Ayun, natanggal ko yung side, you see? It's also removed on the side. And kailangan na ng tatlong AA na pen light battery. Tatlong pen light AA, okay? So I closed it and then I turned it on. I pressed the red para i-testing, and then what happened? Wala rin, wala. Ayaw mag-flash. Ganda pala ng pagkagawa. You see, itsura niya. Maporma. You see? So, in other words, the reason why the magbobote sold this to me kasi sira. Siguro yung dating may-ari, nakita yung magbobote. Oy, gave it to him, and then the magbobote gave him $20. Nagpunta sa akin and sold to me siguro mga $100. Kumita pa yung magbobote. See? So, Minolta is the brand, and Matte is the brand. Meron pa siyang mga instructions sa likod. You see it? Meron pa siyang mga instructions sa likod. The purpose of the instructions is to guide you anong klaseng liwanag, anong klaseng ilaw. Okay? Yan. So, this is for the automatic. Okay? Now we don't need those mga flash na. We don't need any. Kasi yung mga cellphones natin ay may built-in flash para liwanag. Saka no need to get batteries, yung mga pen light, yung mga AA, yung mga kasi laki nito. Pasok mo sa camera, cellphone. Hindi na kailangan kasi cellphones are rechargeable. You can recharge the batteries as long as you want hanggang mag-fully loaded, and you can take pictures. Okay? Iba, nag-vlog na, naka-on yung camera. You see? So, yan ang design nun. So, since I got this too, pinatingin ko na sa isang suking kaibigan ko. Sabi niya, sir, talagang wala. All busted sila. So, okay. So, now I'm stuck with this. What will I do with this? Okay, well, I use it as for my vlog. Kaya may silbi siya. At ginawa ko siyang vlog main item. Or, I could put this on display with my other equipment of camera kung hindi nabenta. By the way, I have no plans of selling this kasi hindi pwede magbenta ng sirang bagay. Baka magalit yung mga buyer. Nabebenta-benta, sira naman pala. Wag na lang. See? So, I have plans of putting this on display na lang. Naka-display na lang siya. And then, pag dumating yung mga bisita, nakita na sa glass case. Ang ganda nun. Ganda. Yung mga flash, hindi. Yung glass case mo. Right. Okay. So, this one, ito, online na siya. For 1,000 pesos. Kasi, bihira ang mga Russian cameras sa Soviet Union. Pero hindi siya umandar. Pero still, people collect cameras kahit di umandar. 35mm cameras. So, I placed it online. So far, hindi pa nabebenta. Pero yung dalawa na benta ko na. Okay? So, syempre kaming mga pirates, we have to make some kind of money. Okay, so with that, we conclude our vlog for this time. I hope to see you again. Don't forget to give me a good like as I like you. Don't forget to subscribe to me someday. I might subscribe to you. And of course, please give me a nice comment. Yung bang, Wonderbeard, meron kaming mga Dashan, 3. Ang pangalan ay hotdog, tomato, and ketchup. Oh, that's very funny. That's very cute. Okay? Take care of your pets, no? Sabi nga, pagka may sakit yung pet nyo, inalagaan mo at gumaling, swerte raw yun. Ha? Swerte sa buhay mo. Okay? So, by the way, ang pangalan ng Dashan ng sister ko ay Joey. Si Joey. Ayaw magpahawak. Hindi siya pwedeng nakawin or damputin kasi pag hinawakan lang yun, gagawin na siya. See? Si Joey. Malakas kumain. Okay? Kaibigan ng mga pusa. Okay. So, with that, I would like to leave you a nice saying that has guided me throughout all my years and times here. Okay? So, on behalf of me and Joey, I'd like to say, wherever you go, you will surely be there. Bye. We love you.